Hello, Beth. Hi, Belle.
Hi, teacher.
How are you today, Belle? You are sweating, Belle. How are you, Belle? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes, you are. What did you do today, Belle? What did you do today?
Um. Uh. Um. I'm at home.
Oh, just at home. Okay, so you didn't go for a hike this time. When will you go to school, Belle? When will you go to
I don't go to
school?
school.
Oh, you will not go to school
It's
yet.
done.
It's done.
Yes.
Other year is done, Belle, but the new school year is not yet done. Okay, so maybe in a month from now, Belle. Okay, so let me
Yes.
share my screen and we will now have the continuation. Since you can now use your pen, Belle, we will have this one. Okay, so listen, Belle, watch the video and answer the short quiz we have. Okay, let's start.
There are many different subjects at school. This is Lily. She's from England. She likes many subjects. What's her favorite subject? Her favorite subject is PE. She likes to run and jump. This is Emily. She's from England too. What's her favorite subject? Her favorite subject is English. She likes to read and write. This is Daniel. He's from Canada. He likes to draw and paint. What's his favorite subject? His favorite subject is art. This is Antonio. He's from Mexico. He isn't at school. He's playing soccer. He plays soccer on Thursdays. This is Tim. He's from the USA. He isn't at school. He's at dance class. He has dance class on Mondays and Wednesdays. This is James. He's from Brazil. He's playing baseball. He goes to baseball on Thursday. It's a lot of fun. There are lots of things to do at school. There are lots of things to do outside of school too. What's your favorite thing to do?
Okay, there you have it. Well, now let us check all your answers. And you got it all correctly. Very good, Belle. And now we'll proceed to talking about countries. Okay, so what flag is it, Belle? What flag is this one? It's What flag is it? It's the flag of It's the flag of...
It's Brazil.
Okay, yes, it's the flag of Brazil. Now, what about this one, Belle? What
It's
flag is it?
Canada.
Yeah, Canada. What flag is this?
I don't know.
Egypt. It's here, Belle. Egypt. Egypt. It's just below the flag, Belle. And the last one, it's the flag of...
South Korea.
Yeah, South Korea. Great job. That is correct, Belle. Now let us have this one. Where's he or she from? He's or she's from Brazil. Now, can you tell me, Belle, where is he from?
He from Brazil.
Okay, yes, that is right. Where is he from?
He from Canada.
Where is she from?
He from Egypt.
Okay, Egypt. And where is she from, Belle?
She from South Korea.
Okay, South Korea. What about you, Belle? Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Yes, from the beautiful country, Vietnam. Okay, now, Belle, let us have this one. I want you to listen and number it. Okay, let us start listening to the audio, Belle.
Page 79. D. Listen and number. 1,
My name is Hee-young. I'm from South Korea. My favorite subject is art. I go to dance class on Thursdays.
2,
My
Mhm.
name is Ali. I'm from Egypt. My favorite subject is science. I go to English class on Wednesdays.
Okay, yes, that's right,
3,
Belle.
My name is Bruno. I'm from Brazil. My favorite subject is math. I go to swimming class on Mondays.
4,
My name is Becky. I'm from Canada. My favorite subject is PE. I go to karate class on Tuesdays.
Okay, yes, very good, Belle. All correct answers, Belle. Now, what about you, Belle? Do you go to a class every day?
No.
No. Okay, because we have a class on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. What about on Tuesday and Thursday, Belle? What class do you have?
Hmm. Um.
Do you have a class on Tuesday and Thursday, Belle, or no?
Yes, I have a class.
What class is that?
It's English too.
Oh, it's English too. Is it face to face, Belle, or just like what we're having now, online class?
Uh. Yeah.
Is your teacher Vietnamese, Belle? Do you go to your teacher's house?
No, I'm in the school.
Oh, okay, at school. So you go to school.
And the teacher is in Vietnamese.
Oh, okay. The teacher is in Vietnam. The teacher is Vietnamese. Okay, Belle. Thank you. Now, in here, I want you to complete it, Belle. What about you? Can you tell me? My name is, I'm from, my favorite subject is, I go to blank class on blank. Can you complete this one, Belle? Let me see. What is your Vietnamese name, Belle? Is it Thai?
What?
What is your Vietnamese name? Is it Thai? Thai? Okay, continue answering it first, Belle. Okay, my name is Belle. I am from.
I don't know.
You don't know how to spell Vietnam?
Yes, I can spell.
Oh, yes, you can spell. Okay. Now, what is your favorite subject, Belle? What is your favorite subject? Are you typing it, Belle? Oh, my
What?
favorite is swimming. Okay, so it's PE. PE. Okay. I go to swimming class. Oh, you have a swimming class, Belle. Okay. When do you go to swimming class? I go to swimming class
On Monday, Tuesday, and Friday.
Oh, what time, Belle? What time?
It's 3 o'clock.
Oh, 3 o'clock, which is perfect because it's really hot, right, Belle?
Yes.
What's the weather like in your place today? Did it rain, Belle, sunny, or windy?
It's it's sunny.
Oh, it's sunny. It's really hot. Okay, yes. I get you, Belle. Now, let us have this one. Okay, can you try to unscramble the first one, Belle? This is the flag of. This is the flag of. What do you think? Mhm. Can you try to unscramble the word, Belle? Oh, yes. Egypt. Okay, why is this EG? Why is there EG? Okay. Yes, just Egypt. Belle, what about for two?
Oh, teacher.
Yes?
Uh, Sunny and East Vietnamese is
What is that, Belle? Is
um
this four? Is this four?
yes,
Four? Uh-huh. Okay.
it's 0.
400. 400
It's 4
or 40? 40 C?
40.
Okay. 40 Celsius? Oh, 40 dong?
Yes.
Oh. Are you talking about temperature, Belle?
Yes.
Oh, it's really hot. Where is your fan? Where is your fan?
Uh, it's here.
Ah, okay, you are using your fan. I thought you're not. Okay, so it's cool now, not hot anymore, Belle. Okay, let's continue. What is this one, Belle? What country is it? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What do you think is that, Belle? Are you using your iPad now, Belle?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes, not just Korea, right? Not just Korea. This one, it's Korea. But we have South here, Belle. South Korea. Okay, now what about for 3, Belle? What country is shown here? What country is it?
It's
It's
Canada.
Yes, it is Canada. And for Belle, it
It's
is
Brazil.
Brazil. Very good. Have you been to China, Belle?
What?
Have you been to China? Have you been to China? Have you been to China, Belle? I don't know. Okay, wait. I'll translate it. Have you been to other countries?
Bạn đã từng đến những quốc gia khác chưa?
Yes.
Yes, where? Where did you go?
It's in China.
Oh, it's China. Wow. What did you
And
do there, Belle? And
and
China and
Saipan.
Japan?
Sai.
Can you write it, Belle? Saipan. Oh, wait. Is this a country or it's just in Vietnam? Oh,
It's
it is a country. Okay, but it is not an independent country. I haven't heard of this one, Belle. Oh, okay. I see. And it's beautiful too. Okay. So, what did you do in China, Belle?
Oh,
What did you do in
I'm-
China?
I'm
Did you visit
glad-
your...
yes.
Oh, okay. You visit someone. Did you see a panda, Belle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you did. Okay. What about in Saipan? What did you do in Saipan?
It's go to the beach.
Oh, you swam. Okay, very nice, Belle. But in Vietnam, you have beautiful beaches too.
Yes.
Okay. Are you going to travel next month, Belle? Are you going to travel next month?
No.
No, and that is fine, Belle. Okay. Now, in here, Belle, you have to tell me your answers, okay? Like, for example, where's she from? She's from Canada. What about for 2, Belle? Where is he from? Where is he from, Belle?
He from South Korea.
Very good. What about for 3? What is our answer here?
Where he where she from?
Very
She
good.
from Brazil.
Great job. 4, Belle.
Where he from? He from Egypt.
Egypt. Okay, yes, very good. And that's correct, Belle. Now let us have this one. So look at the pictures here, Belle, and tell me your answer. Okay, now for the first one, Belle, where is she from? She's from
She from Brazil.
She's from Brazil, and her favorite subject
Is music.
she goes to
Swimming.
swimming class on Tuesdays. What about for four, Belle? He's
Is from Canada.
his
His favorite subject is sciences.
great job, science. And the last one,
He goes to
to
he go to karate class on Saturday.
very good on Saturdays. Well done, Belle. That is correct. Now let us proceed to this one, Belle. We have here check up 4. Okay, this is a review from units 7 to 8. Now let us listen, and you have to encircle it,
Page
Belle.
80. Checkup 4. A. Listen and circle. 1,
Wake up.
Mhm.
2, breakfast. 3,
South Korea.
4, science.
Okay, yes, that is correct, Belle. Yes, it's right. Now, moving on, let us have this one. Read and tick. Okay, what's her favorite subject? Her favorite subject is PE. What do you think? Let me see. Okay, very good. We're going to tick, Belle. It says tick. Now, when does he eat breakfast? He eats breakfast at 7 o'clock. Thank you, Belle. Okay. Oh, you're okay. And the last one. Well, you did great, Belle. Thank you. Wait, you told me that you go to swimming class. Then what time do you go home, Belle?
It's 4 o'clock.
Oh, okay. So you swim for 1 hour.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. Now, Belle, let us have this picture right here. Okay. Now, when blank eat a snack, he blank a snack at 3:30. Okay. When you complete the question, Belle, when what do you think, Belle?
When does he eat snacks?
Okay,
He
does
eats
he?
He eats snacks at 3:30.
Very good, Belle. What about for 2?
Where is she from? She from
Mhm.
Canada.
Very good, Belle. Okay, 3 now, Belle.
When does he go to karate class? He go to karate class on Tuesday.
Very good. On Tuesdays, Belle. Okay. Again, when we say Tuesdays, it means every Tuesday, Belle. But
Okay.
when we say Tuesday, it's just once. Okay, one time, Belle. Just this Tuesday. Next Tuesday, you will not go anymore. Okay. Now, let us proceed to listening activity. Okay. Let us hear this, Belle.
Page 81. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed.
It's 8 o'clock. It's time for bed.
Very good, Belle.
2,
Goodbye. See you.
Bye.
Goodbye. See you. Bye.
Okay, very good. And now it's time to say goodbye, Belle. Goodbye, Belle. Thank you so much, Belle.